Hello everyone, today we're going to solve rational expression part 4. We are now in number 15. Simplify 8 over b minus 2 over b plus 3 minus 5 minus b over b squared. So to simplify, this time our plan to simplify is to combine the three rational expression into one single rational expression. To do that, we're going to find the LCD of b plus 3b squared. Our solution, first we're going to copy all the denominators, b plus 3b squared. Then we're going to factor. b is equals to walang factor because it's a prime, just only copy. b plus 3, there's no factor, just only copy. And b squared, there is a factor of b times b. And after that, we're going to determine the common factor. For b, we have b and b. This b plus 3 is different because this is binomial. So we are just only comparing the common factor of a certain term. So b is the same, so we just only copy one of it as represented for our LCD. Then we have b here, just only copy because only one. Then copy b plus 3, and we're going to multiply b times b equals b squared. Then copy b plus 3. So our LCD now is b squared times b plus 3. Okay, after that, we're going to copy again the given expression, and then write the denominator. Our denominator now is our LCD, b squared times b plus 3. And after this, we're going to divide. We are going to divide the first division here of rational expression, denominator, so b squared, b plus 3 divided by b, so we're going to minus that. b squared minus b, so the answer is b. Then times 8, we have 8b. Then copy b plus 3. Then minus, so copy the sign minus 2. Then divide again the denominator of this rational expression. You have to cancel this one, so the remaining is b squared. That's why this negative 2 now here is multiply only b squared. The next, the last rational expression, we're going to divide also. We have to cancel b squared and b squared. And so minus 5 here and negative b, parentheses. Then we're going to multiply here b plus 3 because the b squared is already cancelled. And after that, we're going to simplify. We're going to multiply 8b and b plus 3. So the result, 8 times b and b equals 8b squared. Then plus 3 times 8 equals 24 and b, 24b. Then negative 2 times b squared, we have negative 2b squared. And this one first, we have to multiply 5 times b equals 5b, 5 times 3 equals positive 15, negative b equals negative b squared, negative b times positive 3, we have negative 3b. Then copy here the denominator, we have b squared, b plus 3, so we're going to simplify again. So to remove the parentheses here, copy the same denominator, and this one just copy only, copy, and this one we're going to remove the parentheses by multiplying negative times positive 5 equals negative 5b, then negative times positive 15, we have negative 15, negative times negative b squared, we have positive b squared, and negative times negative, we have positive 3b. And after multiplication, we're going to combine like terms. We have 8b squared, we have negative 2b squared, we have b squared, and we have negative 5b, we have 3b, we have 24b, negative 15. You have to do just only arrange, then after the arrangement, we're going to combine like terms here. 8b squared minus 2b squared plus b squared, so we have 7b squared. then negative 5b plus 3b. So we have also 24b here. So combine this 24 plus 3 with 57 minus 5, we have 22b positive. And this one, negative 15 is only one constant, just only copy negative 15 and copy the denominator. So this will be our answer now. Because we cannot factor, there is no factor for 7b squared and also the 15. So they are not a perfect square. So this will be our final answer. Okay, next, number 16. Find the LCD of 1 over 2b plus 4 minus 4 over b by squared plus 2b. So, since finding the LCD, our concentration of our computation is on denominator. So, we have to do our solution. We have to copy first the denominator of the first rational expression, 2b plus 4, and the second rational expression is b squared plus 2b. Just copy equals, and we're going to find the factor of 2b plus 4. So, the common factor for 2 and 4 is 2. So, then after identifying the one parenthesis, 2 divided by 2b equals b, then 4 divided by 2 is equals 2. So that's the factor. And the next, we're going to find the factor of b squared plus 2b. So the common factor here is only the b. So we have here b, and so we write parentheses, and we're going to divide b squared divided by b equals b, and 2b divided by b equals 2. Okay. Now, our LCD is 2b, so we're going to multiply the 2 and b, we have 2b, b plus 2, then b plus 2, so the same, they are common, so we have only choose one as represent our LCD. So therefore, there is our LCD, 2b times b plus 2. Okay, next, number 17, find the LCD of a positive b over a positive 2 plus a negative b over 2 plus a. Okay, since asking for the LCD, our concentration of our computation will be on the denominator. So we're going to find the denominator of a plus the LCD of a plus 2 plus a. So we have to do is find the factor of this, since this is prime. There is no other factor except 1 and a plus 2. So we'll just copy a plus 2 again. There is no factor, but we're going to reverse this in order to do the same with the first denominator of the rational expression. So we can easily to transpose this because we have a positive a. So that's why the reverse of this is a plus 2. Then we have common a plus 2, a plus 2. If there's a common, so we have just only select one of it, just to represent our LCD. So our LCD line now is a plus 2. Next, number 18. Find the LCD of 3 over b squared minus 5 over b cubed. Okay, finding the LCD, our concentration is to find the LCD of b squared and b cubed. So our solution, copy first the denominator of the first rational expression, and the second expression, the denominator is b cubed. And next step is to find the factor of b squared, b and b, and the factor of b cubed is b times b times b, and our LCD now is equals to, so common here, b and b, so we have just only pick up one as represented our LCD, the same b, so we have just only copy one, and only one here, so just only copy. Then after that, we're going to multiply b times b times b equals b cubed, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Okay, next, number 19. Find the LCD of b over quantity a plus b, then plus 20 over b. Since finding the LCD, our concentration is to find the LCD of a plus b and b. Okay, our solution, copy first the given denominator a plus b. Then we are going to factor, and the factor of this, since prime, so the same, a plus b. There is no factor. So b, since prime, so just only copy b. And since a plus b is a binomial, different from this term, so it should be separated. So b, copy here, then times a plus b. This will be our LCD now. For b over a plus b, then plus 20 over b. Okay, the LCD of these two rational expression is b times a plus b. Next, number 20. Find the LCD of b over 12ab squared plus 2 over 3 squared b. So our solution, copy first the denominator, 12ab squared, and denominator of the second rational expression, we have 3 squared b. Okay, I'll just copy 12 because our are going to use the multiple. So 12 copy, and here we're going to use the multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So since common for 12, 12 now is the the less common denominator. So 12 here. Then for the variable a and b squared, b and b is the factor, e squared, the factor is a and copy b, and a, we have two common a, so we're going to write a. We have common for b, we write only one, b and a. This one, there's no common, just only copy. B, there's no common, just only copy. And after that, multiply. A times equals c squared, b times b equals b squared, and copy 12. So our LCD is 12 a squared b squared. But if we're going to use a shortcut method, to find the LCD here, so we start with the smallest number, multiple of 3, 3, 4, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 now is our less common denominator, so equals 12. And for the a, we have the same a, and we are just select the highest exponent. So that's why we have a squared. And for the b, we have common, but the highest exponent we're going to pick. So that's why our answer is b squared here. So the LCD for the shortcut way is 12 a squared b squared. It's the same with this expanded solution.